This video shows how to replace the fuser for the Xerox VersaLink B620 printer. Press the power button, then touch Power Off. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Open door C and wait 30 minutes for the printer to cool. To release the fuser from the printer, turn the two knobs in a counterclockwise direction. Remove the used fuser from the printer. Unbox and insert the new fuser into the printer. To lock the fuser into the printer, turn the two knobs in a clockwise direction. Close door C. Plug in both ends of the power cord and power on the printer. Dispose the used fuser.